Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe PK. It's a 0-0 draw. How are you feeling?
Hey, member, I think first, what an atmosphere. What a game.
Yeah.
Let's credit Durban City. They came with a plan, and their plan was to sit at the back. And it worked for them. They got a point. You saw after the game the way they celebrated. But I think there are things that we were supposed to do better. But again, in a very much pressurized game like this one, you will understand that that is welcome, that sometimes you won't do the way you're supposed to do things. This is a game that we're easily supposed to win, but it was not our day. I don't think we should blame anyone, the players, neither the coach. Umfakile uSelepe. The boy didn't do any mistake, didn't do anything wrong. He played the way Cash was going to play. Maybe then Cash, because he's an experienced player, he was going to give us some more motivation going forward. But I don't think we should blame anyone. Also, Mbutuma played very well. Everyone came to the party, just that it was not our lucky day for today. But I think the other thing we need to check, seems like there's this problem we have. We win and draw, especially the second half of the season, because there is interesting stats engakuvezela zona. We drew against Orbit College, and then we won against Kaizer Chiefs. We won against Polokwane City. We won against Richards Bay. It was a draw. We went to TS Galas, win. Arrows win.
Richards Bay we drew, Pagani.
Yeah, we drew. We draw against Utsuelele, remember, here 1-1.
Yeah.
Then we went to win 2 games, and then we drew with Richards Bay. We went to Amazulu, win. Kaizer Chiefs, win. Draw 1-1. Stellenbosch and Marcus, win. Today is a draw.
Yeah.
Definitely next week you should surely it's a must win.
I hope that stat is true, Pagani.
It's true, Pani. I can show you it's true.
No, I'm saying it will become reality in 23.
Yeah, no, it become reality. I think if you look again in the past, Mbombela has been a good stadium for us. Satunu Sundowns lapha, I remember really last minute the time of Nedbank Cup not long ago, Stellenbosch on the MTN 8. It was Marumo Gallants on Carling Black Label. Then why not go there in Mpumalanga? And then I think it's an opportunity for boys to go to Mpumalanga and go and take another trophy there. It's a best opportunity that we can do. I think out of these circumstances, the issues, problems we find ourselves today, there's an opportunity, because they say whatever there's a negative thing, there's a positive thing that you can draw. I think the positive is to go and fight for the cup in Mpumalanga. Simple,
PK. But it's not that it won't be that simple next week, because we know pretty much Orbit will apply the same tactics where everyone will be behind the ball. How do you break a low block next 23?
Okay, I think for us to break low block your Orbit, we need and we need someone who is very skillful in terms of breaking the low block. And I know the guy has not been playing for so much. It's either we bring in Dlamini or we bring in Mbule, but not in the first lineup, but in the bench, so that in case in the second half we need someone who has got an educated foot, who can release a player. Again, Shenko, you know Shenko. Remember here when Richards Bay was stubborn, he doesn't just take a shot, but he plays a ball. Number 2, when we're playing Lupopo FC here, he came in second half. Mapensela will say, Uibatla guy. He's going to give us that. I think we need someone who's going to allow us to break the wall, or maybe if he's not available. And on last, maybe he's not available. Rele can also do that as number 10. Rele can also do that as number 10. But I know, siyabulela. Masingalahlini ithemba maphakani. Siyayilifta lapha
Puthi ngitshele ne. Size lana siphethe yonke injabulo. sasa sayithatha imali engane yethu yokugcina sithenga ama-cricket sithi sizocelebrate kwalile kodwa mina ngithi ngumabasi yophelela embombela ima ngabe iPirates ifuna ukuthi impilo zethu singabalandeli sophelela embombela sofela khona ngoba ima ngabe leli gaba ayithatha ibhuti kophuma idumbu somelwe inhliziyo thina abanye ngiyakutshela bhuti thina kade sajabulela leli ligi bhuti silindile makudraw Sundowns sina 4 days singalali sithi ngesabatha sothatha league kuphi lapho gede kwalile kodwa abayenze sure ukuthi lena leyakhi imka engineer yethu amaqanda wafahlakhe mina ngithi ngumabasi mangaba iliga sithola embombela abalindi ukusinwaba bePirates ngoba support abona